tell me I look like a nerd.
You don't look like a nerd. You look the opposite of nerd. You look like a jock. Hey, Sarah.
Hey.
What do you got there?
It's my Go Bag Mini in blue calcite in the new Due North collection.
Whoa.
Accent color. It's just really quite simple. Right here we have an easy access side pocket. I usually put my passport in here, my keys, the things that I need on the go. But watch this. Oh, I'm there. And
Yeah, whoa.
on the inside.
What?
Yeah, look at her. Look at her. Look at
Wow.
her. I've been told it's just one big hole on the inside, and it is. And it is. Let me get your attention right here. All right, eyes up here. Eyes up here. Mesh pocket, and then there's two other mesh pockets on the inside.
Whoa.
And this one has a zipper. This is the side I put my dirty underwear.
Right.
Pretty much like all our other go bags. All right, handles on every side. Straps detachable.